Have you ever faced a frustrating issue while working on a project, especially when it comes to blending images with text? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to blend semi-transparent bitmaps containing text using Graphics32. I completely understand how challenging it can be when your graphics don't turn out as expected. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers encounter issues with text blending in graphics, and it can be quite perplexing. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user recently asked, how should I paint a non-transparent text on a semi-transparent background so that I could blend this into a larger picture? This is a common question, and it's crucial to get it right for your layered painting system. So what's the issue here? The problem arises because the method used for drawing text does not handle transparency correctly, resulting in unexpected colors when blending. Understanding this is key to finding a solution. And stay tuned. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you achieve the perfect blend in your graphics projects. To begin resolving the user's issue, we need to ensure that the text is rendered correctly on the semi-transparent bitmap. The first step is to set the font color to a fully opaque black. This will ensure that the text does not have any transparency. Next, the user should modify the drawing mode of the second bitmap. By ensuring that the drawing mode is set to blend, we can achieve the desired transparency effect when combining the two bitmaps. Now, let's focus on the text output. The user should ensure that the text is drawn correctly on the bitmap before blending. This means calling the text out method after setting the font color and before blending the bitmaps. Finally, the user should save the combined bitmap after blending. This will allow them to see the final result with the text rendered correctly on the semi-transparent background. Fun fact, did you know that the first graphics programs were created in the 1960s? They were incredibly basic compared to what we have today, but they laid the groundwork for all the amazing graphics we create now. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by another user involves using the render text function instead of text out. This method gives you more control over transparency and allows for anti-aliasing, which enhances text appearance. Additionally, the user mentions using VPR to render text, which converts text outlines into vectors. This method leverages Graphics32's vector drawing capabilities, providing more flexibility for text styling. However, keep in mind that using methods other than text out may impact performance. If performance is a priority, it might be better to stick with text out or optimize your own implementation. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution involves 3 helper functions to manage transparency in bitmaps. The first function, transparent to opaque, converts fully transparent pixels to opaque. The second function, flip transparency, toggles the transparency of pixels. Lastly, make opaque sets all pixels to opaque. To blend text correctly, first draw the text on a bitmap without transparency, then apply transparent to opaque. For a semi-transparent bitmap, create a new bitmap, copy the original, and make it opaque before drawing the text. Finally, flip the transparency and blend the bitmaps together. This method ensures that the text appears correctly when blended with other images, maintaining the desired visual effect. Here's the tip I promised. Always check your color values and blending modes when working with graphics. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your text should blend perfectly with your semi-transparent backgrounds. Remember, experimenting with different settings is key to mastering graphics programming. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips and keep creating amazing graphics.